Today, I'm with Capital's co-founder and CEO, Raymond. Thank you for joining us, Raymond.
Thank you for having me on.
Great. I'm excited to say that we are here both today to talk about Capital's new solution for cryptocurrency platforms called Capital Connect. Just to catch everyone up real quick, Capital Connect is a secure fiat on-ramp and off-ramp gateway for crypto platforms. The solution's purpose is to allow businesses to easily help their customers use fiat to buy crypto in an easy and affordable fashion. Let's get to it. Raymond, why did we develop Capital Connect? What is the vision behind it?
Yeah, I think over the years I've been building Capital, and I've noticed that many crypto exchanges do not have user-friendly on and off-ramp solutions. They are not specialized in compliance to meet the regulatory and financial institutions' demands. So the fiat to crypto rail user experience still shows a huge gap to close. And therefore, we launched Capital Connect to fix those issues for the ecosystem. We allow crypto firms to integrate with Capital Connect, allowing their users to buy and sell crypto at some of the most competitive price in the market, all without leaving their platform's homepage. And Capital Connect aims to bring user-friendly fiat to crypto on and off-ramp services to companies across the world, starting from the crypto platforms. We want to make the crypto economy accessible to everyone in a seamless, secure, and sensible manner. Others should focus on their expertise and leave the compliance, regulatory, and on and off-ramp requirements to our fiat crypto infrastructure.
Wow. So the vision behind Capital Connect is to bring fiat to crypto on-ramp services to companies across the globe. And we have the capabilities to really make that happen. That's really amazing. So Raymond, you were just talking about it, but let's talk about it in more depth. What is the target market, the target audience for Capital Connect?
Yeah, I think we will start from the cryptocurrency exchange for sure. I think that's where we see the biggest opportunity, and there are so many exchanges out there. I think they require a simple and easy solution for their user to buy and sell crypto. So that's why we start from there. And we can also help many other companies in the space allow their users to go straight from fiat to crypto. For example, right, NFT very hot right now, GameFi. And the firms that are developing the metaverse, there's so many of them keep coming up. So this will bring a whole new wave of users to their platforms. So they can simply use Capital Connect on their platform to top up with fiat. So they can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether on the spot. And we are also building out a payment infrastructure that blends fiat currencies with crypto. In other words, we want to become a PayPal for the crypto and Web3 world. We also aim to expand Capital Connect beyond crypto industries, from retail to travel, from e-commerce to F&B, whoever wants to participate in the crypto economy. So that's our vision.
Fascinating. So Capital Connect is a B2B solution for crypto platforms, including exchanges, NFT firms, gamification companies, and companies that are building out the metaverse. Interesting. What is Capital Connect's competitive advantages in the market, Raymond? Why is it different than other fiat on-ramp companies?
Yeah, I think we got quite a few, differentiations or competitive advantages in the market. First, I think the users will buy crypto at some of the most competitive price in the market because Capital is integrated with multiple leading liquidity providers, both crypto and fiat. So we can provide customers with the most competitive rates in the industry. Besides, when our partners, users buy crypto through Capital Connect, they will not have to pay the hefty gas fee because Capital offers the option to settle crypto in the off-chain manner. So the off-chain settlement mechanism will save the partners, users a lot of fees on every transaction. Secondly, Capital Connect is designed to provide a seamless customer user experience. Our off-chain solution between Capital and the partner platforms ensure that the buying process for our users is as user-friendly, painless, and most importantly, instant as possible. So, your platform doesn't have to worry, and you can leave the KYC and AML process to us. We are specialized in this area. So Capital's streamlined and industry-leading KYC and AML expertise allows our users to be onboarded swiftly with us, providing them with access to fiat capabilities integrate with traditional financial institutions, while allowing our partners' platforms to focus on what they do best, right? They are very good at developing innovative products, services in the fast-growing cryptocurrency spaces. And with our experience, our product for them, they can have that peace of mind with them.
Wow, there are a lot of competitive advantages with Capital Connect's fiat on-ramp solution, including ensuring that our users get crypto at the most competitive rates in the market, while also undergoing a seamless KYC onboarding process. That's quite amazing. Well, if I own a crypto platform, can you explain to me, how does Capital Connect's on-ramp solution work?
Yep. So we got very simple integration. All the features we offer is API based. So you can just easily, integrate with our API. And the most important thing, you can also choose whatever you want to implement. And then it's seamless, right? So I think we just explained how, the off-chain solution can make the user experience much smoother comparing to the traditional on-chain solution. And another thing is that it's fully compliant, because, users have to pass our standards so they can tap into the Fiat capability. So it's very reliable. And the most important thing is that the solution is very scalable. So Capital keeps expanding our Fiat options globally, so we can support our partner platforms to expand their on and off ramp to users in any jurisdictions that we have Fiat infrastructure on the ground. So we focus on building infrastructure, to bring us very scalable, business opportunity to the platforms. So that's how it works for a partner platform want to integrate with us.
That's really exciting. So Capital Connect is fully compliant, it's simple to integrate, and we're continuing to put on different fiat currencies on the platform, so people from all over the world, from whatever currency they're using, can use it to buy crypto. Really cool. This is really going to make things accessible for users across the world. Now, this is a very important question that everyone will be thinking, Raymond. How secure is Capital Connect?
Yeah, I think we take the compliance and licensing at the center of of our business model, and we take that to heart. So Capital's compliance program is modeled after the leading global financial service providers. We use thumbs up biometric identification verification solution, as well as the word check name screening, to make sure we can manage the compliance risks to the standard that the regulators and the banks they want. So we can have that kind of fiat capability across the board. And we have been using Chainalysis, KYT, and React products since our formation, to make sure we can also screen all the addresses our crypto transfer to and transfer from, to make sure whenever there's a sanction, a blacklist requirements coming from a regulator on the crypto address, we can comply immediately and in a real-time manner. And as I said earlier, right, we take licensing very seriously. So we are registered in Lithuania right now as a crypto exchange operator and cryptocurrency, wallet operator. And we don't just stop there. We will keep expanding our registration and licensing in various jurisdictions where we see good value for Capital as well as for our partner platforms.
Well, I think it's really cool that we focus on becoming licensed, which means that we are compliant with regulators, and that since we're fully compliant, we're able to accept euros and British pounds, along with many other currencies coming actually in the near future. This has been a great chat, Raymond. Anything else you'd like to say about Capital Connect?
Yeah, I also want to share the status of our business development so far. So, we are very proud to say that, one of the fast growing cryptocurrency exchange, Bybit, became our first customer, right? So the users now can buy and sell crypto with the euro and sterling we offer, and transfer over to Bybit instantly. And there are more features like off-ramp solution, will come up, and then we offer more, even better user experience after, several enhancements. And this is just the beginning, as we are now working relentlessly on new Fiat capabilities and partnering with other crypto firms, for the on and off ramp solution. And that's something we feel very happy and very proud, because that means the partners, they see the value of us, because we can definitely enhance their user experience, as well as helping them to further grow their business globally. I think that's something we decide to be at the first place, and that proposition so far I think is well perceived. So we are very happy that that direction works, and we'll keep working on it.
That was a great wrap up, Raymond. There is so much more we can say about Capital Connect. Competitive prices, easy to integrate with your crypto platform. Great user experience for your users. Capital Connect will no doubt help your company improve conversions and increase your revenue over time. Your users will be able to buy a crypto at some of the most competitive rates in the industry. Check out capital.com and click on Capital Connect under products to learn more. Thank you, Raymond, and thank you, everyone. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.